22 साल तक भारतीय सेना में देश की सेवा, देश की चुनौतीपूर्ण सीमाओं पर सैनिकों की कमान और फिर एक बिल्कुल नई दुनिया में एक नई शुरुआत। ये कहानी है कर्नल रोहित जग्गी की, जिन्होंने भारतीय सेना में 2 दशक से अधिक समय बिताने के बाद कॉरपोरेट जगत में कदम रखा और आज अमेज़न इंडिया में जोनल डायरेक्टर ऑपरेशंस के रूप में कार्य कर रहे हैं। लेकिन बैटलफील्ड से बिजनेस ऑपरेशंस तक की इस यात्रा में एक चीज कभी नहीं बदली, लीडरशिप।
I come from a family who served generations serving the country. I have my father from the Air Force. He was a fighter pilot. And then later joined helicopters. A lot of my close family members, close to about 7 to 8, are either in the Air Force or have served in the Army. Both my grandparents have served as part of the British Army. So to say that, how did it motivate? I think it was a natural way of motivation within the family. Seeing a lot of my family members serving the country was one way of getting motivated. I also joined the Air Force School where I've studied, and a lot of my classmates and my seniors have joined the armed forces from the school, and that was another area that I got motivated. But let me tell you something interesting as well. This is way back in '89 when I passed out of school, and the Top Gun movie got released in 1986. I think that was one more thing that influenced me so much, and I got so thrilled and excited that I should take up naval flying. And then, in fact, the time when I went and appeared for my medicals, I realized that I am not having eyesight that is fit for flying. And that is the reason that was a setback, but not a deterrent. But I continued on that journey and joined the Indian Army. And from there on, I have had diverse roles in the Army. I operated in various types of terrains and various institutions across the length and breadth of the country. I have been an instructor in the Indian Military Academy. I have done staff college at Wellington down south, and also been an alumni of the High Command course at MAU. So I've done all of that. I have had the privilege of even participating in the counter-insurgency operations for almost 8-9 years in J&K, and that was really the most crucible experience I carry with me through my entire military career. So that's the background and the way I have been able to sort of motivate myself to stay and serve the country.
भारतीय सेना में कर्नल जग्गी का सफर कई चुनौतीपूर्ण जिम्मेदारियों से होकर गुजरा। उन्होंने काउंटर इंसर्जेंसी ऑपरेशंस के दौरान सैनिकों को कमांड किया और ऐसे माहौल में काम किया जहां फैसले जल्दी भी लेने होते हैं और सही भी। यही अनुभव आगे चलकर उनके लीडरशिप स्टाइल की मजबूत नींव बने।
I have had close to about 8 to 9 years of experience in counter-insurgency operations. The first time was when I was a captain, and then we were deployed in a new area of Poonch, Rajouri, and that time the insurgency was just starting to pick up. And that was the time when really learned how to operate in a counter-insurgency environment. That was something that gave me that exposure of leading men, especially in adversity, in difficult conditions. The terrain is very, very difficult. The enemy unpredictable. He cannot be seen. And of course, the stakes are very, very high. And post that, when as a commanding officer, I also commanded a unit along the line of control, and also was operating in the counter-insurgency environment in the rear areas. What really shaped my learning was that these kind of environments where you lead men in difficult conditions, you cannot do that from a distance, or you cannot do from behind a desk. You need to be present on the ground, share the hardships, share the risks, and that is where you start earning trust of your people. Until unless you are not able to guide the teams, give the right direction when things are ambiguous, that is where you start to really experience what it means to command men in battle. And those are some of the learnings that I have carried, which these experiences have really influenced me and have really shaped me as a leader. I've also learned that decisiveness under ambiguity is the most critical skill. In operations, you rarely have a perfect day, or you will rarely have perfect intelligence about where the militants are in that area. But you have to adapt in real time. You have to make sound decisions, and you have to own the outcome. And these lessons have stayed with me forever, and they serve me even in my corporate role.
लेकिन 22 वर्षों की मिलिट्री सर्विस के बाद उनके सामने एक अलग चुनौती थी, वर्दी से कॉरपोरेट जीवन की ओर बदलाव। सेना एक बेहद व्यवस्थित वातावरण है, जिम्मेदारियां स्पष्ट होती हैं, कमांड स्ट्रक्चर तय होता है और हर व्यक्ति एक निश्चित मिशन के लिए काम करता है। कॉरपोरेट दुनिया की भाषा, प्रक्रियाएं और काम करने का तरीका अलग था, लेकिन कर्नल जग्गी के पास एक ऐसी मजबूत नींव थी जो किसी एक प्रोफेशन तक सीमित नहीं थी। अनुशासन, योजना, बदलती परिस्थितियों के अनुसार खुद को ढालने की क्षमता और लोगों को साथ लेकर चलना। आज कर्नल रोहित जग्गी अमेज़न इंडिया में जोनल डायरेक्टर ऑपरेशंस हैं और दक्षिण भारत में कई फुलफिलमेंट सेंटर से जुड़े ऑपरेशंस की जिम्मेदारी संभालते हैं। इन फुलफिलमेंट सेंटर्स के पीछे एक बेहद जटिल लॉजिस्टिक सिस्टम लगातार काम करता है। इन्वेंट्री का मूवमेंट, ऑर्डर्स की प्रोसेसिंग, अलग अलग टीमों के बीच तालमेल, ऑपरेशनल टारगेट्स और ग्राहकों तक पैकेज समय पर पहुंचाने की पूरी व्यवस्था। ये कोई सैन्य ऑपरेशन नहीं है, लेकिन बड़े स्तर के ऑपरेशंस को संभालने के कई मूल सिद्धांत कर्नल जग्गी के लिए पहले से परिचित हैं। प्लानिंग, कोऑर्डिनेशन, रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट और किसी अप्रत्याशित स्थिति में तेजी से प्रतिक्रिया देना। शायद उनकी इस यात्रा का सबसे दिलचस्प पहलू लोगों को लीड करने में दिखाई देता है। सेना में एक अधिकारी सैनिकों को केवल आदेश देकर प्रेरित नहीं करता, उसे भरोसा बनाना पड़ता है। अपनी टीम की ताकत और सीमाओं को समझना पड़ता है और लोगों को यह महसूस कराना पड़ता है कि उनका योगदान पूरे मिशन के लिए महत्वपूर्ण है।
The fundamental similarity is that people everywhere, whether in the corporate or in the army, want to feel a sense of purpose and belonging. A soldier fighting on the line of control or an associate working in the fulfillment center, both need to know that their work matters, that their contribution is valued and recognized, and that your leader genuinely cares about them as individuals and not as numbers.
कर्नल रोहित जग्गी की यात्रा एक महत्वपूर्ण बात दिखाती है। एक सैनिक की ट्रेनिंग उसकी वर्दी के साथ खत्म नहीं होती। वर्षों में विकसित अनुशासन, दबाव में फैसले लेने की क्षमता, योजना और लोगों को लीड करने की कला जीवन के अगले अध्याय में भी साथ रहती है।
At Amazon India, we have built one of India's safest, fastest, and the most reliable operations network, serving customers across every serviceable pin code in the country. At the heart of this network are our people, and we remain committed to raising the bar on associate safety, health, and their financial well-being.
आज उनका मिशन बदल चुका है। पहले जिम्मेदारी सैन्य ऑपरेशंस और सैनिकों की थी, आज जिम्मेदारी बड़े स्तर के बिजनेस ऑपरेशंस और टीमों की है, लेकिन नेतृत्व की मूल भावना आज भी वही है।
Okay, having close to about 22 years of experience in the Indian Army and about 12 years here at Amazon, I want to talk about two things. One is choosing a career in the armed forces is choosing a career of purpose, honor, and extraordinary experiences. You will be tested in many ways you cannot imagine, but you will also discover strengths within you which you never thought existed. The military will give you a world-class education in leadership, resilience, endurance, and human care. Serve with pride. The nation needs you. There is no greater calling than serving your country. To the veterans preparing for the second innings, the suggestion that I would have for them is to not to underestimate the strengths you bring to table, the skills that you have honed, the leadership under pressure, crisis management, strategic thinking, ability to inspire teams, unwavering integrity. These are also so invaluable in the corporate world. the transition will have its own challenges, but brace, you will be successful. So I would say that the uniform will change, but the context and the fundamentals remain the same.
कर्नल रोहित जग्गी, एक सैनिक, एक लीडर, और वर्दी के बाद शुरू हुई एक नई पारी।